Somebody asked me a little while back to do a recent pickups video since I haven't done one in a while. Although my channel has had a lot of costume design focused content, I really want to make menswear fashion videos, but I never want them to be boring. Not to sound corny, but I want them to be a little bit more artistic and cinematic like some other YouTubers and how they've been able to do it. Here's my first attempt at that. So it's been a while since I've done anything like this, and I will say I bought a ton of stuff, but as of recent, I haven't been buying much. So this recent pickups will be more so the past 2 years, let's say. First up, I want to show you is t-shirts, and the first two are going to be from the brand called Basket Case. It's a streetwear brand, and the first one I have is this clown cowboy one. You have this colorful cowboy clown guy, and then some bull riders it looks like, and then on the back it says, Basket Case is a pseudonym. This is a size extra large. At the time I was still buying pretty oversized stuff. Now I'm really looking for I wouldn't say a fitted look, but nothing too oversized, and this one's just the tiniest bit too oversized for me. The next one up from Basket Case is this like creepy doll face thing. It's like a creepy female doll with a tear coming out and the eyes are bugging out. On the back again it says Basket Case is a pseudonym in like more of a block font. It's in this washed black color. I really love the creepy graphic, and again, this is an extra large, so it is a bit too oversized for what I like now, but I still wear it with certain outfits, and my girlfriend actually loves wearing this shirt. So the rest of the t-shirts I'm gonna show are all like vintage tees, and the first one is this vintage-ish Indigo Girls t-shirt. The reason why I say vintage-ish is I think this was a reprint. I'm not 100% sure. It is on a large Lee tag, made in the USA. This shirt is probably the best fitting t-shirt I have as of now. It's like it's got some drop shoulders. It's a little bit roomy, but it's not too oversized, which is kind of what I've been gravitating towards recently. So there we go, on to the next. Next up is another one of my favorite vintage t-shirts. It is this oatmeal gray, marled gray, Stardust Las Vegas t-shirt. Stardust is a hotel, I believe, in Las Vegas, or was a hotel. You got the boots, the hat, the lasso, the spurs, the gun, the blanket, and anything a cowboy would need, it's got it. Now this one is definitely oversized. It's on a Hanes Beefy, double XL, definitely more boxy, but I still love this one. I love the sleeves on it. It's not like too long, they're kind of nice. It is single stitched. So next up for band t-shirts, we have this Rage Against the Machine t-shirt. It is for the Evil Empire album, which is their second album, I believe. On the back it says, Fear is your only God. I love the fit on this. Again, not too oversized, but pretty roomy, and I love the retro graphic of the kid. He's a little spooky, but still, nonetheless, really cool. Last up for t-shirts, some of you guys might roast me for this, but I stand by my purchase. It is this art t-shirt that I bought. It is super, super thrashed. It's literally pinned over here. How much did I spend? Too much, but it didn't hit triple digits, so that's good. I spent $50. So this piece of artwork is like one half of the cherubs from Sistine Madonna, Hanes Beefy, size large, thrashed like hell. I mean, it's missing the whole ribbing collar in the front, basically. I love the fit though. It's an odd fit. It's super lightweight though, and I think it's really nice for the summer right now because I think it's like 90 degrees today. Actually, if you know Jacob Starr, he just recently showed off this piece, except in a lot better condition in his vintage t-shirt collection video. So for the past 2 Mays, my girlfriend and I have gone to Nashville, Tennessee to go vintage shopping because vintage shopping in Nashville is amazing. There's so many places and so many good stores to look at, and a lot of them have great prices. And this next piece I got from East Nashville Antiques. I got this vintage hunting vest. It is a size large. It is in a cotton, and then the back has this like nylon fabric. I love this thing, from the quilted patch on the right side to the ammunition holding portion of the jacket. I don't even know what to call it. I don't really know what this is for. It is you throw something in there. I don't know if it's a gun or bullets or your sandwich. All right, moving on to the shirts section. We have this polo by Ralph Lauren button up. It is in the size medium, stripes in the front, and then the back has like almost like a bandana looking kind of print. It is so awesome. I don't regret buying it. I wear it all the time during the summer and spring, which is perfect for right now because I don't know if I mentioned, it's hot out. Next up for button-ups, we have this amazing vintage legit bowling shirt. It is in this red and yellow, mustard yellow colorway. It is a revered collared shirt, and it was originally it was embroidered in Okinawa, Japan, where there is a military base, and it is covered in these bowling patches throughout. They look so awesome. They range from the late 60s to the 80s, I think. So my dude Ron was killing it. A lot of cool details, a lot of cool colors. Oh, before I forget, also gussets in the back. Okay, so for the first pair of pants I'm about to show, you might scratch your head, but let me explain. We have these women's French pair of pants that I got from my vintage friend, Tracy Carnell. I'll put her Instagram down below. This piece, sadly, was a women's piece, but she gave it to me anyways, and she said, you'll do something with it, which I did eventually. And although it looks kind of fucked, it is just basically like an inserted gusset or godet or whatever you want to call it. In the back. It doesn't look the prettiest, but it got the job done, and I loved these pants so much that I had to do something about it. There's so many details that I love, from the belted leg opening to the oversized pocket. I mean, look at this. I can't get over this pant. It's so awesome, and it's in like this forest green color. Also, allow yourself to wear women's wear. It's okay. Don't be shy. You can alter it, make it look more manly or fit. It's gonna be fine. Wear it. It's awesome. Whatever you like, wear it. Okay, next, another green pair of pants, but these are, almost dropped them, a pair of Korean War fatigues. I got these also in Nashville for a steal of a price. I think these go for like up to like $200. This is in a like straight fit. It is almost a little oversized, not too much though. I love these. They're great. I wear them all the time. They're pretty lightweight and they're super roomy, so I think they're perfect for the summer. As of late, I have been moving towards more wider trousers, wider pants. Still like a good like slim straight fit, but the skin tight, I'm kind of out on, sorry. And just like that, he goes back to women's wear. All right, so next up, we have this medium blue washed pair of jeans. It is from the women's brand, Lands End. It is a size 10 regular. This again is in like, I would say a true straight fit. These fit great. I love wearing this with some like black boots. I do love like the leg opening. It is a perfect fit. Nice medium washed. I kind of wanted a medium washed pair of jeans. Perfect, found it. I didn't care that it was women's wear. Buy it, get it, sell it, whatever you want. Last up, pants. We have these Valence pants from the brand Arc'teryx. If you don't know Arc'teryx, it usually is more of an outdoors wear brand. It has like those shell jackets that everybody loved like 3 years ago and couldn't get enough of. I hated them. It's so cool. There's no traditional side seam. It's just like a huge dart. There's so much seam detailing in these that are so awesome. The only thing that's very sad is these are a black pair of jeans, so you don't really get to see all the details, which kind of sucks, but hey, I'm hoping I can like fade these out pretty well one day. If you watched my kimono video, you would know that I'm heavily inspired by traditional Japanese wear, and I also like to wear a lot of kimonos as of recent, and I picked another one up this December when I was in San Francisco in Japantown. I got this padded maroon kimono. It is super awesome. I've been wanting like another padded one. It has these ties in the front to close it up, and then you have these patch pockets. It's got this little like, I wouldn't say diamond print, but it's like a little stitching print that you might not even be able to see from here, but it looks very gorgeous. I love it. I love this piece. I wore it actually for Christmas Eve with my girlfriend's family. The past year, I've been experimenting a lot more with different types of cuts, different types of garments, all that stuff. So next up, what I have for you is this black wool sports coat. It is this notched collar sports coat, single-breasted, and it is in this black wool. I've worn this jacket so frequently. During the winter and fall, I wear it as a jacket on its own, and then I'll layer with it with another overcoat. It looks so awesome. Reason why I like this jacket so much is because it's pretty long, actually. I think it's like a 48 long. I forget what the actual sizing is, and I can't find it at the moment. I love this piece. Again, I'm not wearing it anytime soon, but once fall and winter hits, I'm gonna be wearing it a ton. It gives me very like Western vibe, which is another category of wardrobe that I've really gravitated towards as of recent. So this jacket I have been wearing to this day, daily, because my office is freezing cold, so I bring this jacket. It is this amazing auto body shop jacket from the brand Red Cap. It's in an extra large, it's quilted on the inside. It's pretty oversized, but cropped, which is really nice. I've literally been wearing this, a white t-shirt of some sorts under it, and then either the fatigues or one of the pair of jeans that I have that I've been wearing a lot of. And that's kind of been my daily like wardrobe or uniform because it's just so easy. I don't have to think about it. Well, that is the conclusion of the video. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm really hoping that this comes out the way I wanted it to. I'm trying to make more videos as much as I can. More costume design stuff will come out. So thank you for watching. Follow me on my social medias. It's all down below. I'm on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for talking. I love you all. Take care. Have a good day.